Most health problems start with this one mistake. Most people think health problems start with bad food or lack of exercise. But medically and scientifically, many issues begin much earlier, with chronic stress that never turns off. When your nervous system stays in survival mode, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol all day long. Over time, this quietly affects sleep, digestion, immunity, hormones, memory, and even heart health. This isn't weakness, it's biology. Science shows the body cannot heal while it feels unsafe. In survival mode, healing becomes a low priority. That's why people can eat right, take supplements, and still feel exhausted, inflamed, or unwell. Here's the part most people don't know. Healing doesn't start with discipline. It starts with signals of safety. Slow breathing, regular movement, sunlight, rest, and emotional regulation tell the body, you're safe now. And when the body feels safe, it begins to repair itself. Health isn't about pushing harder. It's about creating the conditions where healing is allowed. Sometimes the biggest health upgrade is learning how to slow down without guilt.